Detroit is a great place for my business. I was born and raised in Detroit, and I've always had all of my business in Detroit. And as an artist, an entrepreneur, a business owner, it's just a great opportunity for anybody. A lot of people ask me, why don't you leave Detroit because of what you do, and it'll be more welcome in other states. But Detroit has been here with an open arms to me with everything. It's inspiring, it's inspirational to other people, and they tell me to continue on doing what I'm doing right here in Detroit. Detroit now is a great spot because I've seen Detroit when it was up, I've seen Detroit down, and now Detroit is coming back. It's a rebirth of Detroit. Everything is booming. Downtown is fantastic. It's a lot of artists coming in. It's manufacturing coming in, and this is just the right time and the right place. Angelique Collection will benefit the community with new opportunities. We're going to hire at least 250 plus people. We're going to train them in fashion, merchandising, sales, marketing, packaging. There's so many opportunities in this industry as a manufacturer, and as Angelique Collection moves into the manufacturing part of it with the apparel, there's so many job opportunities and openings. And we've already teamed with some employment agencies to actually bring people on to hire them through our training program. People don't need a hand out, they need a hand up. And that's my goal, to bring in jobs, opportunities for those who are seeking it, who haven't had a chance lately but are very skilled and talented, and all they need is an opportunity. And that's what Angelique Collection's goal is to do, is to bring these people into community, to make them be able to function well in the community and take care of their families.